What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi limited access issue in Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial. Everything you need will be listed in the description below. To get started, use the Windows key and R shortcut to open up the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and hit Enter to open the Services window. From the list of services, locate Wi-Fi Direct Services Connection Manager service. Right-click the service and select Start. Again, from the list of services, locate Radio Management Service and make sure that it's running. If not, then right-click this service and select Start. Next, find the Network Connection service and again, right-click it and select Start. When this is done, you can exit the Services window. Now, go to the Start menu and search for Task Manager to open it up. Once the Task Manager opens up, go to File and select Run New Task. In the Create New Task dialog box, click on Browse. A File Explorer window will pop up. Here, navigate to your local disk C, Windows, System32, CMD. Check the Create this task with Administrative Privileges box and click on OK. Your command prompt will open up. Here, type the following commands in the same sequence. You can copy these commands from the video description below to avoid any mistakes. Use the command netsh winsock reset and hit Enter. Next, use the command netsh winsock reset catalog and hit Enter. Type in netsh int ip resetlog.txt and hit Enter. Use the command cls and press Enter. Next, use the command ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Use the command ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Use the command ipconfig flushdns and press Enter. This will flush and reset the content of your DNS resolver cache. You can then exit out of your command prompt. Next, you will need to update your Wi-Fi drivers. To do this, open up your Start menu and search for Device Manager to open it up. In your Device Manager, look for Network Adapters and make sure to expand them to preview all of your network adapters. From the expanded options of Network Adapters, locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click and select Update Driver. You will get two options: Search automatically for drivers and Browse my computer for drivers. Select the first option. Lastly, search for Control Panel in your Start menu search to open it up. Here, make sure that you view the options by large icons and then navigate to Internet Options. In the Internet Properties window, switch to the Advanced tab. Scroll down and check all of the TLS values. Apply the changes and click on OK. Now, go back to the Control Panel and in the search box, search for View Network Connections and open it up. Choose your wireless adapter, right-click it and select Properties. From the Properties window, double-click IPv4 Properties. As your preferred DNS server, use 8888 and as your alternate DNS server, use 8844. Don't forget to apply your changes. This will most probably solve your Wi-Fi limited access issue on Windows 11. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.